Meet Angel. Angel is a 2-year-old female Pyr. She's healthy, she's spayed, she's housebroken, she's up to date on all of her shots, and she's heartworm negative. Angel is an independent girl. She would be a best fit for a family that is looking for one dog. So Angel came to us after spending about a year pretty much on her own. So she had the run of a 2-acre, hi sweetheart, property. Didn't have a whole lot of human attention, but didn't have interaction with other dogs. So she is good here with humans of all ages. She's affectionate to both adults and kids, but Shannon thinks she'd be the best match for a family, again, without other dogs. Shannon also thinks she'd be the best match for a family that's active. Angel likes to play, so at 2 years old, most peers have already calmed down, but Angel likes to run, she likes to play tug of war. She'd be a great match for an active family that could take her out hiking, a family that can get this dog going. So Angel is here at our Indian Trail Kennels, and she's ready for her forever home. If you're interested in meeting Sweet Angel, fill out an application at carolinapyrrescue.com and make an appointment to come meet her.